The F-22 Raptor, known as the King of Air Dominance, has just been tested in ways no other fighter jet has been. What happens when the U.S. Air Force pushes this jet to the extreme? With unparalleled speed, stealth, and agility, the Raptor has once again proven why it's one of the most feared aircraft in modern warfare. But what are its true limits? And how is this legendary aircraft still evolving to dominate the skies of the future? Let's dive into the power and future upgrades of the F-22 Raptor like never before. The beast of the sky, the F-22. Raptor is more than just a fighter jet, it's the pinnacle of air dominance. Since its introduction, this fifth-generation aircraft has redefined what it means to rule the skies. With the ability to fly at supersonic speeds without afterburners, it combines raw power with unmatched agility. Its thrust vector control allows it to perform breathtaking maneuvers, giving pilots an edge in even the most intense dogfights. Whether it's high-speed chases or avoiding enemy fire, the Raptor moves like a predator in its natural habitat. Every aspect of the jet was designed with one goal in mind: complete air superiority. But it's not just about speed and agility. The F-22's titanium and composite build enables it to withstand harsh combat environments while remaining light and maneuverable. This unique combination of materials allows the jet to maintain its performance even at extreme angles of attack. This, paired with the Raptor's unrivaled acceleration, makes it one of the deadliest aircraft in the air today. Even the most advanced enemy fighters struggle to keep pace with the Raptor's movements. What really sets the F-22 apart, however, is its multi-role capability. While it was built as an air superiority fighter, it's equally effective in ground attack missions. Armed with a wide array of air-to-air and air-to-ground weapons, the F-22 is a versatile threat in any combat scenario. Its onboard systems allow it to quickly switch between attack modes, making it a truly adaptable force on the battlefield. Whether it's taking down enemy jets or supporting ground troops, the Raptor excels in every mission. The Raptor's design didn't just focus on combat superiority, it also revolutionized the pilot's experience. The glass cockpit of the F-22 is built to enhance situational awareness, allowing pilots to engage in complex combat scenarios with ease. Its heads-up display, HUD, projects vital information directly in the pilot's line of sight, eliminating the need to look down at instruments during combat. This allows for split-second decision-making, which can make all the difference in a dogfight. The Raptor's combination of agility and pilot-friendly design has set new standards in air combat, giving those in the cockpit the tools they need to outperform their adversaries. Moreover, the F-22 is a marvel in aerodynamics, designed to slice through the sky with minimal drag. This results in a jet that not only accelerates rapidly, but also maintains stability at both low and high speeds. The Raptor can perform maneuvers that other jets wouldn't dare attempt. Sharp turns, vertical climbs, and extreme angles of attack are all in a day's work for this aircraft. These capabilities give it unmatched dominance in both air-to-air and air-to-ground combat, ensuring that it's a threat from every angle. The Raptor's sheer versatility keeps it a formidable presence in any theater of operations. This aircraft is a nightmare for enemy pilots. Its incredible ability to dominate the skies, combined with its stealth and advanced technology, makes it nearly impossible to counter in combat. Pilots who fly the Raptor often describe it as a beast because of its fierce reputation. But it's not just the pilots who sing its praises. Military strategists view the F-22 as a game-changer in modern warfare. It's not just another fighter jet, it's a strategic asset that changes the outcome of battles before they even begin. And the proof is in the performance. During numerous training exercises and real-world engagements, the F-22 has consistently outperformed its competitors. Whether it's in a dogfight or striking ground targets with precision, the Raptor has proven itself time and again. This level of dominance isn't just a matter of opinion, it's a fact recognized by allies and adversaries alike. The F-22 isn't just one of the best fighter jets ever built, it's one of the most feared. The Raptor's legacy of dominance continues to evolve, with constant upgrades ensuring it remains at the forefront of air combat technology. While other jets might try to match its prowess, none have been able to fully replicate what the F-22 brings to the battlefield. It's an engineering marvel, a tactical advantage, and a force to be reckoned with in the world of aerial warfare. Stealth and sensors, invisible but deadly. One of the F-22's most groundbreaking features is its stealth technology, which makes it nearly invisible to enemy radar. This advantage allows the Raptor to strike without being seen, giving it the upper hand in almost any combat situation. The jet's radar-absorbing materials and design create a minimal radar signature, meaning it can operate deep in enemy territory without being detected. It's not just stealthy, it's practically invisible in the modern battlefield. Beyond its physical stealth, the F-22's advanced sensor fusion technology is what makes it deadly. This system takes data from multiple sources, radar, infrared, electronic warfare systems, and combines it into a single, clear picture for the pilot. With 350 kilometers of radar detection range, the Raptor can see and target enemies long before they're aware of its presence. And with recent upgrades, that range is set to increase to 450 kilometers. This gives the Raptor an unmatched advantage in both defense and offense. The real magic lies in the fusion of this data. The F-22's cockpit is equipped with an intuitive interface that allows the pilot to track multiple targets simultaneously. It's not just about knowing where the enemies are. The Raptor's onboard systems can analyze threats and suggest the best course of action, making decisions faster than any human could. This level of information dominance is what allows the Raptor to outmaneuver its foes in complex, fast-paced environments. The F-22's stealth technology isn't just about avoiding detection. It's about maximizing the element of surprise. In modern warfare, where engagements are often decided before the enemy even knows what's happening, stealth gives the Raptor an undeniable edge. It can fly deep into enemy territory, conduct missions, and return without leaving a trace on conventional radar systems. This ability to get in and out undetected makes the F-22 not just a fighter, but a stealth assassin in the sky. Its radar signature is so small that enemy forces often can't track it until it's too late, ensuring first strike capabilities. In addition to stealth, the F-22's multispectral sensors give it the ability to track and engage multiple targets simultaneously. These sensors are not limited to just one spectrum of detection. They span radar, infrared, and electronic warfare systems, creating a full 360-degree view of the battlefield. The Raptor can seamlessly switch from tracking enemy aircraft to ground targets, giving the pilot complete control over the engagement. This fusion of data ensures that the Raptor is not just avoiding detection, but also controlling the information battle, rendering enemies powerless before they can even react. Stealth isn't just about hiding from radar, it's about confusing and overwhelming the enemy. The F-22's sophisticated jamming systems can disrupt enemy radar and communications, making it nearly impossible for opponents to get a lock on the jet. By the time they realize they're under attack, it's already too late. This combination of stealth and electronic warfare capabilities makes the F-22 a lethal ghost on the battlefield. What's even more impressive is that the F-22 is constantly being upgraded to stay ahead of new technologies. The Air Force recently awarded a $1 billion contract to enhance the Raptor's sensor capabilities, ensuring it remains one step ahead of future threats. With these upgrades, the F-22 will be able to detect and destroy enemy aircraft even faster, solidifying its place as one of the most advanced fighter jets in the world. Even as other nations develop their own stealth fighters, the F-22 remains unrivaled in its ability to stay hidden while maintaining superior combat capabilities. Its sensor suite and stealth technology make it the ultimate predator in modern air warfare. While enemies may try to replicate its features, the Raptor continues to push the boundaries of what's possible in the sky. Extreme testing. What's next for the F-22? Recently, the F-22 has undergone a series of extreme tests by the U.S. Air Force to push the aircraft beyond its usual limits. These tests aim to see just how far the Raptor can go when it comes to speed, altitude, and maneuverability. The results were nothing short of spectacular. During one test, the F-22 climbed at a rate of 68,000 feet per minute, demonstrating its incredible power and efficiency. This type of testing is critical for understanding the aircraft's full capabilities in combat situations. The Air Force didn't stop there. They also tested the F-22's extreme high-speed maneuverability, reaching over 1,500 mph without the use of afterburners. This capability not only allows the jet to outpace enemy aircraft, but also to perform agile maneuvers at high speeds that most other jets can't handle. The F-22 has consistently proven that it can handle the most intense combat conditions while maintaining superior control and agility. The goal of these tests was to ensure that the F-22 can continue to meet the evolving demands of modern warfare. As new threats emerge, the Air Force needs to know that the Raptor can still dominate in air-to-air combat, even against newer fighters like the Chinese J-20 and Russian Su-57. The extreme testing showed that the F-22 is more than up to the task. It remains one of the most versatile and adaptable fighters in the world, capable of operating under the most extreme conditions. But it's not just about physical performance. These tests also examined the F-22's ability to handle new sensor and communication systems that are being integrated into the aircraft. The Raptor's advanced open architecture means that it can easily incorporate new technologies as they become available. This flexibility ensures that the F-22 will remain a relevant force in air combat for years to come, even as new sixth-generation jets are developed. The F-22's extreme testing also includes its ability to perform in multi-theater environments. Whether it's operating in freezing Arctic temperatures, desert heat, or high-altitude regions, the Raptor excels in every condition. The U.S. Air Force has rigorously tested the jet's performance under extreme stress, pushing the boundaries to see how it can function in the most challenging environments. From frigid sub-zero temperatures to blazing desert climates, the Raptor has proven that it can handle any environmental conditions while maintaining peak performance. These tests ensure that no matter where the battle takes place, the F-22 will be ready. The stress test didn't just focus on the physical structure of the jet, but also on its integrated systems. During combat, the F-22 must be able to coordinate with other aircraft, ground control, and even satellite systems in real time. Its ability to seamlessly operate within a larger combat network is a key part of its success. These tests ensure that the Raptor can operate efficiently even under immense pressure, such as multiple enemy threats or communication disruptions. The F-22's adaptability to both independent and networked operations shows why it remains a critical asset in complex, modern warfare scenarios. Looking forward, the F-22 is set to receive a series of major upgrades, thanks to a $7.8 billion investment from the U.S. Air Force. These upgrades will include new sensors, enhanced stealth technology, and more powerful weapons systems. With these improvements, the F-22 will be able to detect and destroy enemy aircraft even more effectively, ensuring that it stays at the forefront of air combat capabilities. These tests have proven that the F-22 isn't just a relic of the past, it's still very much a part of the future. With its extreme performance and constant upgrades, the Raptor will continue to dominate the skies for years to come, adapting to new threats and pushing the boundaries of what's possible in modern air combat. What about the next generation? As powerful as the F-22 is, the U.S. Air Force is already looking ahead to the next big thing in air combat, the Next Generation Air Dominance (NGAD) project. This ambitious initiative is designed to develop a new class of fighter jets that will eventually replace the F-22. But NGAD isn't just about creating a single aircraft, it's a system of systems that will include drones, advanced AI, and next-gen fighter jets working together to dominate future battlefields. However, the transition to NGAD is facing its own set of challenges. The program has been delayed several times due to cost concerns and design issues. The Air Force is determined to make sure the new fighter jet is not only powerful, but also adaptable to a wide range of combat scenarios. With new threats emerging, such as hypersonic missiles and drone swarms, the NGAD program must create a fighter that can handle these advanced challenges. Despite these hurdles, the F-22 will continue to play a critical role in U.S. air dominance for the foreseeable future. The Air Force has committed to keeping the Raptor in service well into the 2040s, ensuring that it remains a key part of America's air defense strategy. This means the F-22 will continue to receive upgrades and improvements to keep it competitive, even as NGAD develops. The NGAD project aims to redefine air combat with not just a single jet, but a system of systems. The idea is to combine advanced AI with piloted and unmanned aircraft working in tandem, creating a web of intelligence and firepower that far surpasses traditional fighter jets. NGAD will include autonomous drones that can carry out reconnaissance, engage in combat, and support human-piloted jets like never before. This new approach to warfare is revolutionary, allowing for greater flexibility and decision-making in the heat of battle. With NGAD, the future of air combat looks to be more interconnected and automated than ever. While NGAD represents the next big step, the transition isn't without its challenges. Developing a sixth-generation fighter with such complex systems requires time and enormous investment. Unlike the F-22, which focuses primarily on air superiority, NGAD must also handle a wide range of missions, from intelligence gathering to electronic warfare. This requires cutting-edge technologies that are still in development. As the Air Force fine-tunes the project, the F-22 continues to bridge the gap, giving the military time to perfect NGAD before fully replacing the Raptor in combat roles. Interestingly, many of the technologies being tested for NGAD will first be integrated into the F-22. This allows the Air Force to fine-tune these advancements before rolling them out in a new aircraft. From new sensor systems to advanced AI integration, the F-22 is serving as a testing ground for the next generation of air combat technologies. This makes the Raptor an even more valuable asset, as it bridges the gap between fifth and sixth generation fighters. There's also a growing debate about how quickly the Air Force should phase out the F-22 in favor of NGAD. Some argue that the Raptor is still too valuable to retire anytime soon, while others believe that NGAD's advanced capabilities will make the F-22 obsolete. For now, the Air Force seems to be taking a cautious approach, ensuring that the F-22 remains in service while NGAD continues to develop. A legacy that continues to evolve. Despite being in service for over 2 decades, the F-22 Raptor remains one of the most formidable fighters in the world. Its legacy of air dominance is undeniable, and the aircraft continues to evolve with each passing year. While some may argue that the F-22 is an aging platform, the reality is that it's still at the cutting edge of military aviation, thanks to continuous upgrades and improvements. One of the most significant recent developments is the Air Force's plan to retire older Block 20 F-22s in favor of upgrading the remaining fleet. This decision has sparked debate within the military community, with some arguing that these older jets still have value for training purposes. However, the Air Force believes that focusing resources on the more advanced Block 30-35 models will ensure that the F-22 remains combat-ready for years to come. One of the key upgrades keeping the F-22 relevant is the integration of open system architecture, which allows for faster and more flexible updates to its onboard systems. This means that new technologies, such as advanced radar systems or enhanced communication platforms, can be added without requiring a complete redesign of the aircraft. This ability to adapt to new technologies quickly has ensured that the F-22 remains at the forefront of air combat, even as other nations roll out newer aircraft. The Raptor's adaptability has made it a true chameleon of the skies, able to evolve with the changing demands of modern warfare. Moreover, the F-22's weapon system upgrades are set to keep it lethal for decades to come. With enhancements to its missile capabilities, the Raptor will soon be equipped with the latest in air-to-air and air-to-ground munitions. The addition of long-range standoff weapons and next-generation smart missiles ensures that the Raptor can strike from further away, making it even more dangerous in long-range engagements. These new munitions will allow the F-22 to engage multiple targets simultaneously, making it a force multiplier in any combat scenario. Even as the NGAD program develops, the F-22's role in air dominance remains critical. At the heart of these upgrades is a focus on sensor technology. The Air Force recently awarded a $1 billion contract to improve the F-22's sensor systems, ensuring that it can continue to detect and engage enemy aircraft at greater distances. These upgrades will include new infrared search and track systems, which will give the Raptor an even greater advantage in air-to-air combat. Another key aspect of the F-22's evolution is its ability to integrate with newer technologies, such as the Next-Generation Air Dominance (NGAD) system. While NGAD is still in development, many of the technologies being tested for this program are already being incorporated into the F-22. This ensures that the Raptor will remain a valuable asset, even as the Air Force transitions to sixth-generation fighters. In conclusion, the F-22 is far from being a relic of the past. Its legacy is still being written, and with each upgrade, the Raptor continues to prove why it's one of the most advanced and adaptable fighters in the world. The future of air combat may be uncertain, but one thing is clear: the F-22 is here to stay, and it's more powerful than ever. The F-22 Raptor is just the beginning. If you're excited by cutting-edge fighter jets and military tech, you're going to love what's next. Click on the next video to dive even deeper into the most advanced aircraft shaping the future of warfare. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Let's keep exploring the skies together. See you in the next one.